technology is designed to help people who are in remote environments where they're away from professional medical care. And at 30,000 feet in the air, an aircraft is one of those environments. So what we do is we design technology to help cabin crew during a medical emergency or a medical event that takes place on board. The beauty with MIME is that it's real time, and should the aircraft have connectivity on board, then we can send that data at that point, enabling the real time information of the passenger, the real physiology of the passenger, to be viewed by a medic on the ground.